go from this to this, and here's how.
Let's demonstrate how you're gonna install your next piece.
All right, this is I'm backlaying it on into this closet. So,
Now, what does backlay mean?
well, it goes one way easy, because normally, it clicks in like this, and then the next piece.
Show them that edge.
Yeah, you
Yep.
lay in this direction.
Yeah.
And then also your layout is you can look on the floor at stairs, like we call them stairs.
Yeah.
They're all flowing one way throughout the entire house.
Look at that
And when you're
stair.
in a back leg,
Stair.
I'm having to do that staircase and it's just backwards. And
Yeah, so it gets a little tricky and tough with
you
closets,
just
right?
pay attention.
And then usually where we have our most problems is this transition into the closet, right?
Yeah.
I see you got your tape measure. What kind is it?
That's a Stanley. It's
There
old
you
beat
go.
up.
Stanley.
Typical tools for this job is your mallet.
Yep, and that's the rubber mallet, right?
Yes, and
Yeah.
I'm using white so you don't mark it.
Okay.
Usually if you use black mallet or any dark colors, when you're popping these seams,
Yep.
it'll leave a scuff, and we want to deter away from that. And your block,
Yeah,
it's
so
got
that's
two
it.
lips. This little lip, which will catch the
The edge.
yeah, so you're not damaging that lip. It sits right there on it.
We call it a tapping block.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Follow and subscribe for more.